Well, an auto repair shop in the Brainerd Lakes area reopened its doors to the public and beyond this morning following a 2-month-long closure due to a fire. Reporter Miles Walker has the details on the grand reopening for this week's In Business.
Back in mid-January this year, Corral Auto Repair endured a destructive vehicle fire which left black spots, multiple items melted, including an air conditioning unit. However, owner Joe LaRue, along with all those in the business, are in high spirits after moving past a challenging time the past couple of months.
It's great to be back open. It's been a long time and we missed our customers. It was very nerve-wracking, but now it's coming together really nicely.
While Corral Auto Repair underwent its temporary hiatus amidst facility repairs, Bill's did not. However, thanks to the Brainerd Lakes community, donating over $1,900, the business managed to keep its head above water.
It was really good. Almost every shop in town has come by or called and acknowledged us. Customers sending money, checks, making appointments for when we open, just making sure that we're doing good. It was really good to see the support of this community.
And moving forward, it's business as usual for Corral Auto, abiding by a mission to get any and all customers safely back on the road as quickly as possible.
Me and my wife, too, we've had plenty of our own issues, and then shops that aren't quite honest. We just try to do everything up front, straightforward, just be there for people. There's some people that we have to help a little bit, that down and out. Just enjoy helping people.
LaRue's love for cars started over 3 decades ago. Fast forward to today, and he, along with all those at Corral Auto Repair, are committed to providing quality service, working on any and all makes and models in Brainerd with a specialization in Hondas and Toyotas.
It's really good. We had so many people calling and just concerned if we're going to reopen, and so many that just waited for us. So it's really good to be back and have them come back in, and it's kind of cool seeing everybody saying hi, and the fact that they waited for us is pretty cool.
Reporting in Brainerd with this week's In Business, Miles Walker, Lakeland News.
This In Business segment of Lakeland News was brought to you in part by FixCon Roofing, specializing in residential and commercial roofing, offering solutions for construction, remodels, and storm damage repair. Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.